Guys, ang video na ito patungkol dito sa spot welding na to. Sumabog yung apat na MOSFET dahil na overpower. I tried to spot a 0.2 copper with a nickel strip 0.2, and then okay siya, nag-function, kaya nag-spot. Sinubukan ko ring all the copper. Ayun, sumabog yung apat. After sumabog, I check this 8 MOSFET, yung natira, okay siya. Tapos I tried to spot, nag-work siya. Tinuloy ko with nickel strip na, pero bumigay pa rin after 10 to 20 spot. So papalitan ko to ng MOSFET, another brand, which is IRL 40SC228, capable 447 amp and 400 watts. Ang MOSFET na ito is 320 amp and 300 watts. So much better yung IRL kumpara dito. After replacing, try to spot if working. If not, ito yung papalitan ko, TBL autocoupler, kasi yung timer okay pa naman, kaya pang mag-set ng time. Yun, kaya pang mag-set ng time. Yun, walang problema sa timer. Pwede pa. Yun, nothing wrong with the timer. So yung i-check ko dito, ito na lang, MOSFET at ito, how spot controller works. Itong MOSFET, the passageway of the power, discharge. To fully function the MOSFET, kailangan ng ito, gate controller. Kailangan din ng time limit o duration time limit, yung timer. Tapos okay naman, so ang i-check ko na lang MOSFET. After replacing MOSFET, kung hindi mag-spot, ito na yung last. So I will do that, replacing MOSFET, off camera. Once it's fully working, I will release also a video in regards on this spot controller. See you to my next video, guys, and thank you for watching.